Welcome to Negaresh. If you want to learn how to read and write Farsi fast, you are in the right place. These videos are translated into English for those who want to learn Farsi but don't speak the language yet. With these videos, thousands of our Farsi-speaking students have already mastered reading and writing in Farsi. Now, it's time to help those of you who don't speak the language. If you spend half an hour each day learning one lesson and doing the exercises, in 1 month you will definitely be able to read and write any Persian word. Plus, with our method, you don't need to buy any extra books. The videos are short and straight to the point. Enjoy learning! The first lesson begins with writing 4 letters of the Persian alphabet. The name of these letters are Aleph, B, Nun, and Dal. Now, let's see how to write these letters. To start, you'll need a notebook with graph paper, like the one you see here. For those not used to writing from the right side of the notebook, it might feel a bit challenging at first, but you'll quickly get the hang of it using a graph paper notebook. Write slowly and gently, just like I'm about to show you. Place the tip of your pencil in the midpoint, and from here, move downward slowly, connecting 2 boxes, as gently as I'm doing. I'll draw it again. In the beginning, moving slowly is better than rushing and learning incorrectly. This is called Aleph, but its sound is A. It has 2 forms. One is Aye ba kolah, meaning A with a hat, and the other one is Aye bi kolah, which means A without a hat. To draw Aye ba kolah, A with a hat, use these points as reference. Start from the top. Draw a downward curved line dipping inward, and then reverse the curve in the middle. If you draw it slowly, it's easy. Aye ba kolah, A with a hat, always comes at the beginning of a word, like abadan or alu, where you hear the A sound first. Our second letter is B. This letter has 2 forms, B bozorg or big B and B kuchak, small b. To write it, start a little below the middle of the line, move downward, and connect 2 points. Like this. Then go up the same distance you went down. It also has 1 dot underneath. This is Bey Bozorg or Big Bey. This one is Bey Kuchak or Small Bey. Bey Bozorg always comes at the end of words. For example, in Sib or Ketab, the Bey sound is Bey Bozorg. In words like Baba or Berg, where the B sound is at the beginning, it's Bey Kuchak or small b. So Bey Bozorg or big B comes at the end of the word, and Bey Kuchak or small b can appear anywhere except at the end. Next, we have the letter called Nun, which might seem tricky at first. You need to draw it slowly. Once you learn the shape, it will be easier to write on lined paper. Start by moving down one square, then curve it like a crescent for the second square. Make both sides symmetrical as you draw it. This is Nune Bozorg, or the big noon, and this is Nune Kuchak, or the small noon. Nune Bozorg, just like Bey Bozorg, always comes at the end of a word. Nune Kuchak can appear anywhere else except the end. For example, in nan, you hear the ne sound twice. The first ne is Nune Kuchak, and the final ne is Nune Bozorg. In the next lessons, we will work more on these sounds together. The last letter is called dal. Here we have 3 points that need to be connected. First, connect this point to the next, like this. Then, go to this point. Practice on the graph paper as if you're drawing a shape. Slowly and calmly, keep drawing these shapes until you can confidently reproduce them in your regular notebook. Then, you'll be ready for the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.